The particle P shown in figure has a mass of 10 milligram. The m is 10 milligram or 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 kg and a charge of 0.01 microcoulomb, that is 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Each plate has a surface area of 100 centimeter square, 100 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square on one side. Now what potential difference V should be applied to the combination to hold the particle P in equilibrium? Now let's say this is my capacitance, there is a particle here. Now since there is a charge on the capacitor plates, there will be an electric field, and since there is an electric field, we have a force on the charge. Now since the particle P to be in equilibrium, the net force on the point P should be 0. So let's say the downward force is mg, so there should be an equal and opposite force QE, so that the particle P is in equilibrium. So we have mg is equal to QE, that is the condition of equilibrium. We have mass, we have value of g, we have charge, that is charge of particle P, and electric field. Now electric field is given by V by D. Electric field is given by V by D, where V is the potential difference between the capacitor plates. Now obviously this potential, let us assume that this potential is V dash. Now this V dash is the potential difference between the capacitor plates. So obviously there are two capacitors, so this potential V will be equally divided between these two capacitors, that is the potential drop will be V by 2 and V by 2. So V dash will be equal to V by 2. So we have Q into V by 2 into D is equals to mg as usual. Now to calculate the value of D, we'll use the formula capacitance is equals to epsilon naught into A divided by D. So the value of 1 by D is written as C divided by epsilon naught into A. So we have m into G is equals to Q into V divided by 2 into 1 by D is C into epsilon naught into A. So the potential V can be written as 2 into m into G into epsilon naught into A divided by Q into C. On substituting all the values, to mass of the particle P as 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 kg, small g as 9.8 meter per second square, epsilon naught, that is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12, area of the plates, that is 100 into 10 to the power minus 4, divided by Q, that is 0.01 into 10 to the power minus 6, and C, that is capacitance, that is given by 0.04 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. On solving this, we get the potential as 43 millivolt. That is the answer.